And we are now getting you all the exclusive details, the inside scoop of Riya's questioning that has been done by the Narcotics Bureau. This is very interesting now because Riya Chakravarti, we're being told, has got emotional when she was confronted with her own younger brother, Shouvik Chakravarti. That's big. Remember, there's a joint confrontation taking place. So clearly overwhelmed that she's been confronted with her own brother over the drug link. We are also being told that even Shouvik got very emotional when both of them were confronted with each other. Divyesh getting us all the latest on that. Divyesh, even if, let's say, they are, of course, possibly accused in it, it's the brother-sister being put together against each other, confronted at the Narcotics Bureau. So wouldn't be an easy time, of course, but you're picking up that they got emotional, they were overwhelmed when the joint confrontation started?
Pooja, as of now, we are yet to confirm from our sources on who will be confronted initially. But as per our sources, Riya would be initially confronted with Samuel Miranda. And after that, she'll be confronted with Dipesh Sawant. That is what the NCB officials have told us. It is possible that Shouvik, who's also in the NCB custody, while being taken out for a medical checkup. Remember, every 48 hours, the arrested accused have to undergo a medical checkup, and Shouvik was taken out for a medical checkup, and it was that time that he met his sister and got emotional. But the confrontation is yet to happen. And once Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant are confronted with Riya Chakravarti, and then Shouvik Chakravarti will also be confronted with Riya Chakravarti by the NCB officials. Remember, NCB officials are right now looking for possible evidence. As of now, they can just pin the case on Riya on basis of the WhatsApp chats and communication that she has had regarding procurement of drugs. There is no direct acceptance of drugs of any kind. She has not received any drugs, she hasn't transported any drugs, and she has not confessed to consumption as well. So NCB officials are right now looking for a possible evidence which could come out from the testimonies of the arrested accused, and if at all, when confronted by the three accused, Riya, if she confesses, that will be part of the remand copy if she is placed under arrest, and that will act as evidence against her in this case.
All right, so the joint questioning has now started. Remember, it's not going to be an easy time because this is not just about recording statements anymore. This is also about joint confrontation that will take place by the narcotics team. Remember, Riya is facing a multi-agency investigation now, and therefore now today we are being told she's got emotional. But what are the huge charges that she's facing?
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.